Good night. What would you like to eat? May I take your order? Yes, I like a hamburger and a larger order of fresh fish, please. All right. And would you like salad? Yes, I will have a mixed green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I would like a large soda, please. What would you like to eat? Good evening. Would you like to see our special drink menus in addition to the food menu? Hello, yes, I would like to see what menus. Here they are. What is today special? Our special is rice with chicken and French fries. That sounds good. I will have that, please. To drink, what do you want? I think I will have a glass of wine. Which one would you like? With wine, please. A pleasure to serve you to order. Thank you. Bye.